Hello, this is Dan over at Climate Max. We're a company that promotes non-wood framing exterior material building, and today we're going to be talking about decks. And we set our videos up as kind of an interactive type experience. You can see our number here. You're welcome to send us a text anytime during watching the video, or send us a text voice message and we'll get right back to you. Kind of beats writing a message out in the underneath the video and waiting for somebody to return your answer for you. Now don't get us wrong, we love wood, and as a co-owner of a custom wood furniture business years ago, we love it and it's beautiful. We just think it's places inside the home, not on the exterior where it doesn't do well with the climate, water, sun, all those things that start your problems of decay. Now, since we're talking about decks today, this is kind of an extreme example, but this deck is shot, it needs to be bulldozed, and everything in there is rotten and warped. And then also you have to consider what's going on the outside. You have wood siding that's getting through the siding and into the studs, and more problems. So let's talk about aluminum framing. Here we see the layout of, it's called OUTDURE aluminum framing. Now we've looked at several different systems. We think this one is probably the best. The steel is so heavy, hard to cut, has other problems we can't get into here, but this is a system. And so once it's ordered and made, you're not ever going to have to replace this deck framing as long as you own that house. So what we're going to do here is take a look at some of the components, and those components, here's the joist pieces and support pieces for OUTDURE decking, and it's really strong. It's really universal. It has clips that go into it. You can extend this out a long way, and you can also, let's say you decide to add onto your deck, you can go ahead and add pieces to this. And this is just a whole system, and it comes together with the special patented clips that come with the system, and so there's never any screws or anything that go into the top of the deck, and you can move them, and it's just a great, it's a modern, it's not the future, it's here. It's a modern system, way to put it down, and forget replacing those deck boards and the infrastructure, the framing. A lot of people think all they have to do is change the deck boards out and they got themselves a new deck, but probably the framing is the more expensive part of it. So you just have to really make sure of what you're doing when you're thinking about fixing your deck up. Now, again, we're going to just show our number here. If you've got a question or a text message, voice message, just give us a call. Okay, we want to show you some of the diversity of the OUTDURE deck framing systems. Here's a commercial job. They're putting this on top of the building. You can see they just build a great big deck up there for observation, etc. And then here's one for a home. When was the last time that you could bend wood around to create a unique design? So again, very versatile, and it can be designed and delivered specifically for your home. Now, here is a application for let's say you want to put this on a patio, or again on a roof. This is from 4 inches to 1 foot. This is all adjustable to make it absolutely level. It's a great system, and again, we'll help you with the design and the pieces you need. Now, one of the things that we do is we offer TimberTech Advanced PVC. That's the product that we believe in because of the Class A fire rating on it and its durability. The decking and TimberTech are more expensive, but how many times do you want to rebuild the deck in your life? This is a one-time deal and you're finished with it. So from the TimberTech, these systems can also hold slate, heavy slate, in all types of colors and everything. You could have half deck, decking, have slate, say around your fireplace or something like that, or your barbecue. And it's just, again, so versatile compared to wood. It's really worth making the change. You can even have turf. Here's a shot of where they put down the slate and then the turf right next to it. If you need some turf out there on your deck, you can do it, and you don't even have to mow it. It's great. And then here is a picture of all three of them together. The TimberTech decking, the slate pieces, and the turf. It makes a heck of a deck and a great area to entertain in. Okay, this is kind of the end of this video, and we'll have more. There's just a lot to this. This is a once-in-a-lifetime investment. There's a lot of details. There's a lot to think about. But this is if you can do it, it's a better way to build yourself a deck that's going to add value to your home rather than be a detriment and bring the house down. Nothing worse than having a bad old deck out there that somebody knows that they're going to have to replace and tear down. So give us a call again. Send a text or send a text voice message, and we'll get right back to you. This is Dan again, and we really appreciate you watching the video and hope to talk to you soon.